The difference between a PLA and a PAL is: A. The PLA has a programmable OR plain and a programmable AND plain, while the PAL only has a programmable AND plain. B. The PAL has a programmable OR plain and a programmable AND plain, while the PLA only has a programmable AND plain. C. The PAL has more possible product terms than the PLA. D. PALs and PLAs are the same thing. The correct answer is: the PLA has a programmable OR plain and a programmable AND plain, while the PAL only has a programmable AND plain. ALM is the acronym for: A. Array logic matrix, B. arithmetic logic module, C. asynchronous local modulator, D. adaptive logic module. The correct answer is: adaptive logic module. The GAL16V8 has: A. 16 dedicated inputs, B. 8 special function pins, C. 8 pins that are used as inputs or outputs, D. all of the above. The correct answer is: 8 pins that are used as inputs or outputs. PALs tend to execute logic: A. SAP, B. SOP, C. PLA, D. SPD. The correct answer is: SOP. How many pins are in an EDF10K70 package? A. 70, B. 140, C. 240, D. 532. The correct answer is: 240. A GAL is essentially A. non-reprogrammable PAL, B. PAL that is programmed only by the manufacturer, C. very large PAL, D. reprogrammable PAL. The correct answer is: reprogrammable PAL. What is an OTP device? A. optical transporting port, B. octal transmitting pixel, C. operational topical portable, D. one-time programmable. The correct answer is: one-time programmable. How many product terms can a Max Plus 2 compiler borrow from adjacent macrocells in the same lab? A. 0, B. 5, C. 10, D. 20. The correct answer is: 5. Each programmable array logic PAL gate product is applied to an OR gate, and if combinational logic is desired, the product is ORed, and then A. the polarity fuse is restored, B. sent to an inverter for output, C. sent immediately to an output pin, D. passed to the AND function for output. The correct answer is: sent to an inverter for output. Are used at the inputs of PAL-GAL devices in order to prevent input loading from a large number of AND gates. A. simplified AND gates, B. fuses, C. buffers, D. latches. The correct answer is: buffers. AND consists of a programmable array of AND gates that connects to a fixed array of OR gates and is usually OTP. A. GAL, B. CPLD, C. PAL, D. SPLD. The correct answer is: PAL. What is another name for digital circuitry called sequential logic? A. logic macrocell, B. logic array, C. flip-flop memory circuitry, D. inverter. The correct answer is: flip-flop memory circuitry. When did the first PLD appear? A. more than 10 years ago, B. more than 20 years ago, C. more than 30 years ago, D. more than 40 years ago. The correct answer is: more than 30 years ago. SPLDs, CPLDs, and FPGAs are all which type of device? A. PAL, B. PLD, C. EEPROM, D. SRAM. The correct answer is: PLD. Cascade chains are closely associated with A. CLBs, B. SOP functions, C. logic expansion, D. all of the above. The correct answer is: all of the above. FPLA is A. a non-memory programmable device, B. a programmable AND array, C. a programmable OR array, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. AND is a section of embedded logic that is commonly found in FPGAs. A. LUT. B. Core. C. DSP. D. PI. The correct answer is Core. In a Flex 10K, what two outputs will the lay produce? A. The lab and the fast track. B. On and off. C. High Z and on. D. High Z and off. The correct answer is the lab and the fast track. What is the major downfall of microprocessor DSP systems? A. Speed, they are too fast. B. Speed, they are too slow. C. Too much flexibility. D. Not enough flexibility. The correct answer is speed, they are too slow. ASIC stands for A. Advanced Speed Integrated Circuit. B. Advanced Standard Integrated Circuit. C. Application Specific Integrated Circuit. D. Application Speedy Integrated Circuit. The correct answer is Application Specific Integrated Circuit. A lookup table is simply a truth table with all the possible output connections listed with their desired input response. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The final step in the device programming sequence is A. Compiling. B. Downloading. C. Simulation. D. Synthesis. The correct answer is downloading. Most lookup tables in field programmable gate arrays FGPAs use inputs resulting in possible outputs. A. 416. B. 816. C. 412. D. 612. The correct answer is 416. What is the defining difference between microprocessor DSP systems and other digital systems? A. The digital system follows a programmed sequence of instructions that the designer specified. B. The microprocessor follows a programmed sequence of instructions that the designer specified. C. The digital system is faster. D. The microprocessor DSP is faster. The correct answer is the digital system follows a programmed sequence of instructions that the designer specified. Why have PLDs taken over so much of the market? A. One PLD does the work of many ICs. B. The PLDs are cheaper. C. Less power is required. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. CLB is the acronym for A. Configurable logic block. B. Configurable logic buffer. C. Critical logic buffer. D. Constant logic buffer. The correct answer is configurable logic block. What can the GAL22V10 do that the GAL16V8 cannot? A. It has an extra large array. B. It is in system programmable. C. It has twice the special function pins. D. All of the above. The correct answer is it is in system programmable. A circuit that implements a combinational logic function by storing a list of output values that correspond to all possible input combinations is an A. Output logic macro cell. B. Lookup table. C. Parallel logic expander. D. Logic element. The correct answer is lookup table. By adding an OR gate to a simple programmable logic device SPLD, the foundation for an is made possible. A. PAL. B. PLA. C. CPLD. D. EEPROM. The correct answer is PAL. What does the UltraFlex 10K PLD use in place of AND OR arrays? A. Nothing, it uses AND OR arrays. B. Lookup tables. C. SRAM-based memory. D. HPLD architecture. The correct answer is lookup tables. PIA is an acronym for A. Programmable interface array. B. Post integrated array. C. Programmable input array. D. Programmable interconnect array. The correct answer is programmable interconnect array. Which one of the following is an embedded function of the Stratix2 FPGA? A. AND/OR logic. B. Programmable SOP. C. Digital signal processing. D. None of the above. The correct answer is digital signal processing. In an OLMC, where does the FMUX signal go? A. OMUX. B. D. Flip-flop. C. Matrix. D. PAL. The correct answer is matrix. Which of the following testing procedures has one or more external moving parts? A. Bed of nails. B. Flying probe. C. EXTEST. D. Boundary scan. The correct answer is flying probe. Field programmable gate arrays FGPAs use memory technology which is A. DRAM non-volatile. B. SRAM non-volatile. C. SRAM volatile. D. RAM volatile. The correct answer is SRAM volatile. A PAL 16L8 has A. 10 inputs and 8 outputs. B. 8 inputs and 8 outputs. C. 16 inputs and 16 outputs. D. 16 inputs and 8 outputs. The correct answer is 10 inputs and 8 outputs. Now many times can a GAL be erased and reprogrammed? A. 0. B. At least 100. C. At least 1000. D. Over 10,000. The correct answer is at least 100. MPGA stands for A. Mass-produced gated array. B. Morgan-Phillips gated array. C. Memory-programmed ROM. D. Mask-programmed ROM. The correct answer is mask-programmed ROM. Which of the following increases the number of product terms by borrowing unused product from other macro cells? A. Shared expander. B. Parallel expander. C. Series expander. D. Slice expander. The correct answer is parallel expander. Which is a mode of operation of the GAL 16V8? A. Simple mode. B. Complex mode. C. Registered mode. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following testing procedures uses the JTAG IEEE standard? A. Bed of nails. B. Flying probe. C. EXTEST. D. Boundary scan. The correct answer is boundary scan. The macro cells in a PAL GAL are located A. After the programmable AND arrays. B. Ahead of the programmable AND arrays. C. At the input terminals. D. At the output terminals. The correct answer is after the programmable AND arrays. The content of a simple programmable logic device PLD consists of A. Fuse link arrays. B. Thousands of basic logic gates. C. Advanced sequential logic functions. D. Thousands of basic logic gates and advanced sequential logic functions. The correct answer is thousands of basic logic gates and advanced sequential logic functions. Which is a major digital system category? A. Standard logic devices. B. ASICs. C. Microprocessor DSP devices. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the input-output pin configuration of the GAL 22V10? A. 10 output pins and 12 input pins. B. 2 special purpose pins. C. 8 pins that are either inputs or outputs. D. All of the above. The correct answer is 10 output pins and 12 input pins. What does a dot mean when placed on a PLD circuit diagram? A. A point that is programmable. B. A point that cannot change. C. An intersection of logic blocks. D. An input or output point. The correct answer is a point that cannot change. FPGA is the acronym for A. Flexible programming of generic assemblies. B. Field programmable generic array. C. Field programmable gate array. D. Field programmer's gate assembly. The correct answer is field programmable gate array. How many combinations are handled in an LUT? A. 4. B. 8. C. 16. D. 32. The correct answer is 16. Which of the following is true? A. Altra uses PAL architecture and Xilinx uses PLA architecture. B. Altra uses PLA architecture and Xilinx uses PAL architecture. C. Altra and Xilinx both use PAL architecture. D. Altra and Xilinx both use PLA architecture. The correct answer is Altra uses PAL architecture and Xilinx uses PLA architecture. What is the status of a tri-state output buffer on a MAX 7000S family device? A. It is permanently enabled or disabled. B. It is controlled by one of the two global output enable pins. C. It is controlled by other inputs or functions generated by other macro cells. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. GAL is an acronym for A. Generic array logic. B. General array logic. C. Giant array logic. D. Generic analysis logic. The correct answer is generic array logic. What gives a GAL its flexibility? A. Its speed. B. Its reprogrammable EEPROM. C. Its large logic arrays. D. Its programmable OLMCs. The correct answer is its programmable OLMCs. What programmable technology is used in FPGA devices? A. SRAM. B. Flash. C. Antifuse. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is an EPM 7128S? A. An Altra Max 7000S CPLD. B. An Altra UP2. C. A Divya YESOC. D. ABSR PLDT2. The correct answer is an Altra Max 7000S CPLD. An SPLD listed as 22V10 has A. 10 inputs 10 outputs and requires a 22V power source. B. 11 inputs 11 outputs and requires a 10V power source. C. 22 inputs and 10 outputs. D. 10 inputs and 22 outputs. The correct answer is 22 inputs and 10 outputs. The Altra Max 7000 series. A. Uses an EEPROM process technology. B. Can have between 2 and 16 labs and I/O control blocks. C. Is available with DC supply voltages between 2.5V and 5V. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A macro cell basically contains A. A programmable AND/OR gate array and some input buffers. B. An OR gate array and some output logic. C. An AND/OR gate array and some output logic. D. Licensed programming. The correct answer is an OR gate array and some output logic. The complex programmable logic device CPLD features an type of memory. A. Volatile. B. Non-volatile. C. EEPROM. D. Volatile EEPROM. The correct answer is non-volatile. How many macro cells are in a MAX 700S lab? A. 8. B. 16. C. 32. D. 64. The correct answer is 16. Which is not a type of PLD? A. SPLD. B. HPLD. C. CPLD. D. FPGA. The correct answer is HPLD. An SPLD listed as 16H8 would have A. Active high outputs. B. Active low outputs. C. Variable level outputs. D. Latches at the outputs. The correct answer is active high outputs. Which type of PLD could be used to program basic logic functions? A. PLA. B. PAL. C. CPLD. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The complex programmable logic device CPLD contains several PAL-type simple programmable logic devices SPLDs called A. Macrocells. B. Microcells. C. NOR arrays. D. Fuse link arrays. The correct answer is macrocells, which is not a part of a GAL16V8 SOLMC. A. SMUX. B. OMUX. C. FMUX. D. SMUX. The correct answer is SMUX. What is PROM? A. SPLD. B. QPLD. C. HPLD. D. PLD. The correct answer is PLD. A slice consists of A. Only 2 logic cells. B. Between 2 and 8 logic cells. C. Up to 16 logic cells. D. A single CLB. The correct answer is only 2 logic cells. Product terms are the outputs of which type of gate within a PLD array? A. OR. B. XOR. C. AND. D. Flip-flop. The correct answer is AND.